Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change password on MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC mobile application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you get the MEXC application from? Now you can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. That's depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through with on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. In there, you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change password on MEXC Global. From your homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon. Click on that, and that takes you right into this window where you have a couple of features which include fee settings, referral, security, transaction settings, API management, join MEXC community, customer service and support radars, and server selection. I'd like you to click on security, and that takes you into this window. We have a couple of security options. Of course, you have your passkey, your anti-phishing code, you have your recent login history, device management, and password. So go ahead and click on password, and that takes you here. Now, for you to change your password, then you have to enable the Google Authenticator, or you need to use an SMS Authenticator to verify your account. So click on either of them and go ahead and click on next. Just follow through with the on-screen instructions, and once that is set up, you'll be able to change your password from there. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.